Welcome to Chorde. This video will show you how to send voice emails in just a few minutes. So, let's jump in. First, if you want to use Chorde in Gmail or Google Workspace, click Download Gmail extension below this video. From the Chrome Web Store, click Add to Chrome to add the Chorde extension to your Chrome browser. Google will ask for your permission to use Chorde with Gmail. Just click Add Extension. If Gmail was already open in your browser, then click Reload to make sure Chorde is loaded. Now, start a new email. Notice you now have a Record button. Go ahead and click it to record a voice email. If you want to use Chorde in Microsoft Outlook, click Download Outlook add-in below this video. From Microsoft App Source, click Get It Now to add the Chorde add-in to Outlook. If Outlook 365 was already open in your web browser, then click Reload to make sure Chorde is loaded. You can also use Chorde with Outlook for Windows Desktop. Now, start a new email. You now have a Chorde button in the Add-in section of your ribbon. Go ahead and click it to record a voice email. The first time you use Chorde, you'll need to log in. Just log in the same way you logged into the web application you're using right now to watch this video. The first time you use Chorde, you'll also need to grant Chorde permission to use your microphone. Just click Grant Permission. Chorde gives you a 3-second countdown before recording your voice. Then, record your message. You can record up to 1 minute on the free account and longer on an upgraded account. You can pause recording at any time by clicking Pause, and you can start your recording over again by clicking Redo. Once you're done, just click Finish. To hear your recording, click the play button. If you want to re-record, click Redo. You can also change your microphone by clicking the microphone setting. Click Add to Email to add your voice recording to the email. Chorde automatically adds text before your voice recording to let people know they can click to listen. You can change the intro text in the web application you're using right now. Just go to Settings, then Intro Text. Then change the intro text to whatever you like and click Save Changes. Give your voice recording image a more personal touch by adding your face. Just go to Settings, then Style. Scroll to the bottom and click the pencil icon to upload your profile picture. Then click Save Changes. Scroll back up to see what your voice recording images will look like the next time you send a voice email. That's all there is to it. Congratulations! You can now start sending voice emails.